So I'm here in Asiana. Punta ng bangko, mag-withdraw lang. Hi guys, what's up? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, as soon as I got back here in Manila, mag-vlog agad ako kasi I've been very inactive. Update with my life. Galing ko lang kanina ng Asiana City. Then, Green Hills to have lunch meetings. Yan, naririnig nyo, may airplane. My package has arrived and I got the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Actually, in-unbox ko na siya kahapon. I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in titanium white. Nalimutan pa ako ng color. So, white ang pinili ko kasi, as you know, I really do love the color black. But right now, I'm for purity. Para naman contrasting. Kahapon, inayos ko na yung eSIM sa Smart Communications. Thank you to John Paul. Yan, shout out to you. Yan, siya yung nag-assist sa akin kahapon. Nilagyan ko na rin ng tempered glass. And bumili na rin ako ng case. Yun, so lalagay ko na yung case. Yun, taas ng energy ko. Gusto ko talagang mag-shades kasi gawa ng ano kasi, parang puyat na puyat ako. Masyadong haggard. Nag-arrive na din yung nag-arrive na din yung mga product natin from Kiehl's. And thank you Kiehl's for our skincare. And I have the Kiehl's toner. Marami siya actually. Cleanser, which I'm using for quite a while now. Medyo smooth yung skin natin ngayon. Medyo nahagad kasi ako nung nakaraan. Kasi now I'm a student na. And then I have the pore cleansing mga moisturizers. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi medyo marami siya. And mga toners, mga maliliit. And our clothes has arrived na din. And for this one, this one's from Armani. As this vlog progresses, I will gonna show you what I will wear during those days. Later, I will have an online class muna. I will attend my online class muna. Then, we will have dinner at Dampadaw. Sarap ang mga seafoods doon. And we will go to Soler. You know why people go to Soler. Guys, we are on our flight to September. Hi guys, I'm with my girlfriend. Look. Girl na friend po ah. So we're here in our hotel room and I'm gonna do a quick room tour. This is the bedroom. TV area, closet, and let's see here's the toilet and the balcony. Fit check. guys, good morning. So we're heading to SM Kawayan. Originally, dapat bibili kami ng shoes, black shoes, kasi magbabarong ako, but unfortunately cancelled na. So kakain na lang kami. But somehow it is more relaxing to just watch the show. So ayan, dito na tayo sa SM. Yes po. Kailangan natin ng wireless charger. 5,000 mAh lang. Patingin na lang. Right now, naghahanap ako ng shoes para isusuot ko mamaya. Actually, hindi na yung pambarong. Kasi nga black shoes yung dapat doon. So, kaka-casual na lang ako. Gusto ko kasi ng bago. Because isa lang kasi yung dinala ko na sapatos. I want variety. Ayan, we already bought the shoes and some essentials. Because we're lacking supplies sa hotel. And right now, we are going to Aling... Aling ano ba?
Loring.
Again, we're going to Aling the Rings. It's a famous spot here in Kawayan. Yeah, we're here na at Aling the Rings. Let's go eat and be merry.
Come join, come join.
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back to the hotel and right now I'm gonna show you what I will wear for later. So I have this Giorgio Armani leather jacket, dark brown. Try ko. Ah, nice. So, ang bala ko dito ay siguro I'm gonna wear sando na lang and then silver chains, nothing ano naman, and pants. Then siguro I will partner that with medyo light, dark, what color to? Slim straight fit na pants from Hollister. Medyo brownish ang style natin. Saka yung binili kong shoes from Adidas kanina. Agad ko mag-vlog yun. This one, parang white na may pagka grayish, beige na Adidas shoes. Later ko na papakita. Nagmamadali kasi ako kasi kailangan ko na magmadali. Nagmamadali kasi ako cause 3 kailangan doon na. Ano ba nadala yung sando na black na kaya nadala yung sando na dapat susuot ko. So ang ang target natin for tonight is medyo classic rock. So now maghanap naman ako ng shades from my hindi yan nasabi. Ang dinala ko lang na shades is this Ray-Ban. Ray-Ban or this Givenchy. Hindi ka mas maganda to. Parang wala nagbago. Hindi, classic rock. So, buti na lang dinala ko tong isa. This one. This one ang susuotin natin. Medyo vintage yung style. Nagawin natin yung cap para makita niyo yung style natin. Forehead reveal. Magulo lang yung buko. Pero you get the point, diba? Parang classic rock style. Yeah, we're going for the vibe. Magulo ng buko. Mamaya ayusin natin yan.
Let's go. Yeah.
Haggard na na. Good morning guys, I just had a lunch with my friends and I'm still here in the hotel. Medyo inaantok-antok pa ako kaya hindi ko masyadong na-vlog. I'm not feeling it because everyone's kinda sleepy pa. And yung mga friends ko is paalis na, but I'm still here. I'll be 2 days pa ako dito. So later we will go to the Bambanti village and then afterwards we will be watching also the festival King and Queen. It's like a costume competition. And then later I'm planning to wear a white jacket. And I'm gonna show you. Kapit ko to tapos. White jacket from... Let's place this here. And white jacket from Armani again, as always. And then I have black pants also from Armani. And yun, siguro panloob natin is also the Armani. Hindi ko masyadong makita. Yeah. And Armani din na panloob na black t-shirt. So here is the fit.
Yung makan ma'am, kumusta po?
Yung which one?
This one po.
Masarap.
Masarap din po.
Parang siyang ano.
Pinakol tayo.
Oh, tsaka ano siya, yung parang maasin na
Parang
yung
ito sa dinuguan. Ang dinuguan po.
Oh,
yung
parang
pong broth po niyan, ang gamit po namin, hindi po siya natural water. It's the coconut water po.
Ano yung secret ingredient?
Yung secret ingredient po dyan, yun po yung, ito po ma'am, yung pinili sa rice. And then meron po siyang kalabasa.
So yung kalabasa is being pureed?
Masarap tong drink parang parang wine pero hindi naman siya.
We're here at the provincial capital.
Agad natin.
Say something about Kawayan.
Simple lang tayo for tonight. Wait. Kailangan natin shades. Tagal ko bago sinabi, no? Lagi ako naka-shades for the mysterious vibe.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hindi ko alam kung narinig niyo ako. We're at the concert. Guys, iba sa Isabela kasi manonood ka lang ng concert pero meron pang caviar. Look. Compare! Huwag ka nang bumaba.
Sakto pa sa timbang
Tama
ang
ka dyan,
ating
partner.
bata.
Gasto.
Ayan, syempre kasama naman po ang ating audience.
Hoy, taas kayo mga kamay nyo! Kumawal kayo at...
Natin siya o turn it off para po makuha po yung crowd natin.
Hello guys, you can hear me. Wala akong kasama. Solo flight. The VIP area. Makita ko sa inyo.
Sino mga single dito?
Hey guys, we're going home. Back to reality.